I mean, because she understood the assignment. She did. Alright, y'all, so I'm super excited to try out a new foundation in this video. I'm going to do a quick eyeshadow look for my girls. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up. For those of you who may not want to stick to the traditional colors, you know, like pink and reds, I'm going to do like a little neutral look real quick, and then we're going to jump into this foundation. Stay tuned.
Something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy, 'cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like you don't know my
Alright, you all, so something quick to the eyes, neutral, matte, one palette. So now to the star of the show. If you haven't heard, Nars dropped a new foundation. So fun fact, I actually have never tried any Nars foundations. So what I did was I went on Sephora's website, and they actually had a deal where if you bought $40 worth of Nars product, you got a free gift. And the free gift is actually a sample of the new light reflecting foundation. So they do not have this sample available in all shades, and it's only, you know, like as long as supplies last up until the end of February, I believe. But the shade that I think I am, I was able to get. So what I did was I actually got a full size of like an old Nars foundation. That's like the OG, everybody swears by it, which is the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. So I'm going to try this out in another video. But for today, since this is the newest foundation, I only have the sample size. It's a deluxe sample size. So just want to put that out there. Because again, yeah, I was like, oh, they dropped a new foundation. I never tried their foundation, so I wanted to try it. But I did like the fact that I could get two. So I wanted to have a full size of like the old school original one. But this is what the deluxe size is looking like. And I grabbed both in the shade New Caledonia, which is deep 2. So this little sample is 0.14 fluid ounce or 4 milliliters. But I should be able to get like a couple wears out of this. So while I was doing my eyes, I just sprayed my face with a little more Badescu, and I put on my primer already so that it could soak into my skin. So I'm not going to put anything else on. We're going to go right into this foundation. And honestly, guys, this is cute. I don't know how big Sephora sample sizes normally are, but they're calling this a deluxe. So I'm going to shake this little bad boy, And I'm going to start with this half of my face. Oh, it has a little applicator thingamajig. So again, I've never tried Nars foundations. I don't know if the shade is gonna match, but fingers crossed that it will. So because it has this, I'm gonna put that directly on my face. It feels really lightweight. Really lightweight. Alright, so let's start with that. I'm going to take a Real Techniques expert face brush to work this in. Let me not spill this. Okay, well, we've got a color match. All right, so this is half of my face with foundation, the other half without. Shade New Caledonia, Deep 2. I'm not mad at it at all. It's super lightweight, very lightweight. The finish is beautiful. Let's go ahead and do the other half of my face. So because there's like not a pump with this little trial, I can't tell you how many pumps I'm using. But because it's so light, I feel like I put on enough. I feel like I could even use a little less. That's just my personal preference. But yeah, I don't feel like I put on too much. And I definitely feel like I could layer on more if I wanted to. I feel like it's given a medium coverage, and you could probably build it up another layer to get like a deeper medium coverage, because the coverage is definitely there. Like I've got some blemishes, like you can still kind of see that my skin is darker right here. Which doesn't bother me because I'm going to go in and contour right there anyway. Okay, I'm just going to push this in some more with the Beauty Blender. I am very happy with this shade. I don't mind if my foundation runs a little bit darker because I'm going to highlight. I would rather be a little bit too dark. I can work with that versus too light. And I feel like I could have went in with less. Like I feel like a lot is coming back off on this Beauty Blender. But okay, it's giving skin. It's giving skin. I will definitely give you that. So I actually do have these two NARS concealers. These were like the first two complexion products of Nars I bought not even that long ago. I have the shade Truffle, which is a little too deep, and Walnut, which is better to highlight, but I don't remember how dark this Truffle is, so okay. I have Truffle, which isn't bad, but it just wasn't giving me that like bright highlight, under eye highlight that I want. Use Walnut. And how cute are these mini bottles? Like, seriously? Seriously.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy, 'cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like and it feels like and it feels like but you don't know why. But you don't know why. But you don't know why. And it feels like and it feels like you don't know my name. My name. My name. You don't know my name. 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 You don't know my oh, baby, baby, baby. You don't know my 'cause you are taking over my mind, and it feels like and it feels like
All right, y'all. So this is the finished look, y'all. So I actually finished my makeup probably about 30 minutes ago. The baby woke up, I fed him, changed him. So it's definitely, my face has had a chance to kind of settle in. It's super duper lightweight. I feel like I always say this, but it's the truth. It don't feel like I have nothing on my face. It's definitely giving more of like a matte, semi-matte finish. I'm sure as the day goes on, I do plan on doing a wear test. So y'all, I'm trying my best to do a wear test. And if I'm able to do it, I'll put that footage at the end. But it's not like super duper matte. Like, it's not drying. And as time goes on, I'm sure like my natural oils will start to peek through. But just all first impressions, first time. Again, this is the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I am wearing the shade New Caledonia Deep 2. Y'all, it's giving skin. It's giving skin. Again, a bit matte. And I could do other things to do it up, you know, add more underneath as far as prep and skincare and illuminators. I didn't do any of that. I have on no highlighter. It's matte. It's a matte. I'm gonna put on the screen what they claim the finish is, but it's definitely giving a matte finish. Yeah, but I like it. Again, I got a sample size because on Sephora's website I bought a full size. So I bought a full size of the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation because if you wasn't listening to the beginning of the video, these are my first time. This is my first time trying out Nars foundation. So only of the Nars products I had were these little concealers that I also did use. Again, first time with Nars. So I'm a little late, but that's all right. Better late than never. So with this purchase, Sephora has going on until the end of February, as long as supplies last. With the $40 Nars purchase, you get a free gift, and the free gift is a deluxe size of their newest foundation. They do not have all the shades, but the shade that I wanted, they did have. So it's lightweight, feels good. It blended out really well, blended with all the rest of the products on my face. We're gonna see how she wears, but she's acting like she understood the assignment, and I'm here for it. Again, Valentine's is coming up, ladies, so if you have not already gotten your hands on this foundation and you were wondering, should you try it? I'm not mad at it. Again, I'm gonna see how it wears, but it's Nars. I'm not expecting anything less than the best, honestly. This brand has been around for a while, has proven itself time and time again. So, all right, you all. So I'm coming back with a quick wear test check-in. It has been almost 7 hours. I finished my face around 11:15 a.m. It is 6 p.m. So just shy of 7 hours, and this is what we're looking like. I personally am loving how my face looks right now. As I expected, throughout the course of the day, you know, natural oils start to come through, peek through. But I love that. I like skin to look like skin. I don't like my skin to look too dry. Again, I already have dry skin. So I'm so pleased. I'm so pleased. It's not separating anywhere. I have not touched my face. I haven't powdered, blotted. I haven't done anything at all. This is just, again, the foundation doing what I expected it to do. So I give this 2 thumbs up. If you're in the market for a new foundation, you want to try it out. Again, you can grab a sample, and I really do like that about Sephora. You can get a sample of the foundation if you're not sure about your shade, or if you're not sure if you're gonna like the finish of it, if it's gonna be a good match for your skin type. You can grab a sample, but if you've been rocking with Nars for a while, you know you just need to add this to your collection. It's definitely worth it. Definitely is worth it. I hope that you like this tutorial. I hope that it was helpful. If so, give your girl a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, then I mean, what you waiting for? You could subscribe, and if you really want to be, want to stay on top of every upload, then you can hit the little notification bell, and you'll get an alert when I drop a video. But until next time, guys, I hope that you are staying well, staying safe. Love y'all. Be blessed. Bye.